If the YouTube TV app won't open on your Firestick, it's usually caused by app glitches, outdated software, or cache issues. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Restart the YouTube TV app. Go to Settings, then Applications, then Manage Installed Applications. Select YouTube TV and tap Force Stop. Reopen the app and check if it loads. Step 2. Restart your Firestick. Go to Settings, then My Fire TV, then Restart. You can also unplug the device for 10 seconds and plug it back in. Step 3. Clear the app cache. Go to Settings, then Applications, then Manage Installed Applications. Select YouTube TV and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may prevent the app from opening. Step 4. Update your YouTube TV app. Open the Amazon App Store, search for YouTube TV, and select Update if available. Step 5. Update your Firestick software. Go to Settings, then My Fire TV, then About, then check for updates. Install any available system updates, as outdated software can cause launch issues. Step 6. Uninstall and reinstall the app if needed. Highlight YouTube TV, select Uninstall, then reinstall it from the Amazon App Store. This gives you a fresh version of the app with no corrupted files. After completing these steps, the YouTube TV app should open normally, allowing you to stream live TV and DVR recordings without issues. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.